Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap. Today's soap is actually has been inspired by a lady at church who had a blouse and then she had a jacket over the blouse. I think the two match, but the jacket is what I really noticed that went with her blouse, and it was a really nice color theme in it, and thinking I'm seeing some soap in that. So it's not something I would have come up with on my own, not a combination. The two primary colors were black and a dark blue. So for the black, I'm doing something different. I'm a little nervous. I'm using black oxide from Mad Oils. That tells you how old this is, because it hasn't been Mad Oils in a long time. It's been Mad Micas. But anyway, it doesn't go bad. I don't have any activated charcoal right now. And for the blue, I'm seeing Tropical Teal from Nurture Soap, darkened just a little bit with a little bit of black. So those will be the two base colors. Then it was also accented with a purple. I'm using up the last of the Great Knee-High, once again from Mad Oils, which is now Mad Micas. That tells you how old this is. I'm just going to use the rest of that up. And then it also had a light gray, which is something I never would have thought of with this. So I'm going to use Nurture Soap's Gray Mica. But it was really light, so I'm going to lighten it up just a little bit with some TD. So a dark blue, a black, purple, and a very light gray will be the colors. And I am planning on doing a hanger swirl. I have the hanger tool out and ready, sitting on top of the mold, so hopefully I won't forget it. I'm going to fragrance this with apple sage, which is probably my top favorite from Brambleberry, at least one of the top favorites. And I think that's enough talk, so let me get things set up and we'll get started making this soap. Okay, I'm back. So I have 4 colors. I went ahead and put the colorants in. I haven't stirred them. Micas hand stirring very easily. Oxides have to be stick blended. This is the only one with just mica. These 3 actually have oxides, so I'm going to just stick blend all of them in. A little bit different from normal, but I'm soaping at room temp. I know my batter, I know the fragrance, so let's start lightest to darkest. So here is the gray with titanium dioxide, lightening it up. The next lightest is probably the purple. Our blue, and I really hope I got this right, but I don't normally use black oxide because it's so potent and it's messy and it stains, but I don't have a whole lot of choice right now. And that's too dark, but oh well, nothing I can do. So let's fragrance these and see how we do. If I need to stick blend more, which I probably will, because this fragrance behaves very well. And I want it a little bit on the thick side so I can do the hanger swirl and they won't just all blend together and mix together. That blue might not be too dark. I think that might be alright. It's a little closer to my anticipated color than I originally thought. And I should have stirred my purple first, but I will. Yes, I'm definitely going to stick blend these. And even if it gets thick near the end, it's okay because the hanger swirl will take care of that for me. are ready to pour this into the mold. Hanger tool right here beside me. Hopefully I will remember. And let's see, you can see. Okay, let's do it. And just like that, in a flash, we are back to cut our soap, and everything went beautifully. Got a nice top, nice, slick, shiny sides. Love it. And yes, I forgot to do the hanger swirl, even with it sitting right beside me. Oh well. And it's funny, I was watching the pour, thinking how neat that looked, and thinking maybe I shouldn't do the hanger swirl after all. And then I just got busy and forgot to do it. So I have no doubt we're going to have some beautiful drops in this. But I've been doing nothing but drop swirls the past few weeks, and I thought that would be something nice for a change. And I forgot. Yeah, very nice. The blue is just a little bit darker than I wanted, but other than that, those colors are pretty much spot on. Yeah. And second log. Is dramatically different. It's more like the tiger stripe swirl. So overall, I'm really pleased. I'd like for the blue to have been just a little bit lighter. I'd like to have remembered the hanger swirl, but even so, I am still really happy with this. And that is what I have for this week. So like always, thanks for watching. Stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and be blessed. Bye, everybody.